Hello guys, I'm Reena and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a really super easy makeup tutorial. If you want to see how I create this look, then keep watching. I'm going and using my moisturizer and apply it all over my face and let it rest on my skin for at least 5 minutes. Next, I'm taking my NYX Honey Dew Makeup Primer makeup base, which removes all redness and pigment spots and leaves a glowing complexion all day long. I apply it on my skin and blend it out everywhere. Using my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in caramel, I apply a few pumps of it on my skin and using a small brush, I diffuse and blend out the foundation all over my face. Here you can see my concealer already applied on those areas I want to conceal because my camera went off while I was filming. Please excuse me for that. I'm using the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in Ginger. Now that I've got the base done, I'm using the Huda Beauty Loose Setting Powder and set all the product on my skin. For my eye makeup, I'll be using the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette. Using the semi-sweet shade, which is a warm brown color, I apply it all over my eyelids with a small smudging brush. Once it's done, I go ahead with a blending brush and I blend that out for any harsh line. Here I'm taking the Marzipan shade, which is a cute champagne color, and I apply it onto my inner corners of my eyes using a smudging brush. To intensify my eye makeup, here I'm using the SEPHORA pencil eyeliner in black and applying this eyeliner over my upper and lower lash lines. Next, moving to my liquid eyeliner from SEPHORA in black. Here I'm creating a thin line of eyeliner near to my lash line. To give a tanned and bronzed look, I'm using my Benefit Hoola bronzer in caramel and I sweep the bronzer over all those areas of my face where I want to have a natural tan complexion and blend out everything smoothly. For blush, I'm going to use the BALM Instant one and I get that onto the apple of my cheeks and a little bit under my nose. Next, I'm going in and using the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara and apply a generous coat over my upper and lower lashes. For my brows, I'm using the Goof Proof Brow Pencil in neutral medium brown. This pencil is convenient for an easy application and to fill in my eyebrows in a natural way. And using an angle brush, I'm spreading the color evenly. For highlighter, I'm going to use the Manizer Sisters and applying it on my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, over my upper lips and a little bit on my temples as well. And for a final look, here I'm using my Yves Saint Laurent lipstick and apply it over my lips, which is a very nude color, perfect for a daily basis. And of course, not forgetting to apply my false lashes. These are very natural lashes for every day, just to give a little bit of definition to your eyes, nothing glamorous. And yeah, that's it. So I hope you enjoyed watching my video. All the products I used in this video are listed down below in the description box. And please don't forget to subscribe and to give me a thumbs up if you liked my video. So I guess that's all for now and I'll see you in my next video. Take care, bye!